What's up, everybody? It is your girl Glenda, and you are back watching another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. If you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you are updated every time we upload a new video. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Now, on to this video. I'm making a classic, y'all. Egg salad sandwich. Egg salad, however you want to put it. I've got some salt and pepper here. Some boiled eggs that husband boiled and peeled for me. Thank you very much. Some sweet relish, some mayo, mustard. And we're going to put this on some buttery croissants. I'm going to add a little bit of lettuce in mine and probably some cheese. So yeah, those are your ingredients. You don't have to do the lettuce, but this is your ingredients for your egg salad sandwiches. Let's get started. So first we're just gonna start by chopping up these eggs. You can make this as chunky as you'd like for it to be. Some good old classic egg salad sandwiches. My mother used to fix me, pack my school lunch when we were going on field trips back when I was in elementary school. And you all know that I don't eat like fried eggs and, you know, scrambled eggs and all that, but I did and do eat boiled eggs. And so she used to make me the best egg salad sandwiches, y'all, with my chips and my soda. Y'all remember that soda that your mama put in the freezer? And it was wrapped in foil. And by the time she got it out the next day, it had that bubble at the bottom so you couldn't stand it up when it was time for you to eat lunch. Yeah, that was my situation. So I'm gonna add in some mayo. I got a tablespoon here, but those were the best. I'm just gonna do 2 for now. Egg salad sandwiches ever. Just on regular old white bread. I'm jazzing mine up with some croissant rolls, but so I'm just gonna put like a little teaspoon of mayo, and then I'm going to add in, I've got some sweet relish over here that I need to use up, so I'm gonna add that to it. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Now, I used the real mayo. Back in the day, my mother used to use Miracle Whip. I still feel like the Miracle Whip probably makes the best kind. So that's what we looking like. So I'm just gonna mix that up with my fork. Y'all, this is a quick, easy lunch. Put this with some chips, or if you feel like making you a little bit of French fries or something, then feel free to do that. So listen, this is it. Nice and creamy. I probably could have backed up off of the mayo. I made them not need to put that second one in there, but it's going to be delicious. Let me taste it. But yeah, that's pretty good. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more salt. I'm gonna kick this up a notch, y'all, and add a little bit of smoked paprika to this. Just a little bit of smoked paprika. All right, I'm just gonna put a little bit of smoked paprika in there just to kick this up a notch. A little more black pepper. And this is it, y'all. It's nice and simple. And if you just let this sit for a minute, like 5 or 10 minutes, and let those flavors marry together before making your sandwich, it's gonna be absolutely delicious. Look at that. All right, let's put this sandwich together. Make our sandwich. Here is our sandwich, y'all. So I'm gonna finish plating this up and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so there is the egg salad sandwich. Paired that with some barbecue flavored chips. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick, simple, and easy recipe. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda.